Good morning, students. I hope you are doing well. So today I am going to discuss about profit and loss. So at first you must know what is cost price and selling price. Cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. So cost price may be denoted as CP. So CP means cost price. Now selling price. Selling price. So what is selling price? The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price, and it is denoted as SP. So SP means selling price and CP means cost price. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. Now what is gain? So to gain, students always remember, to gain SP greater than CP. When selling price is greater than CP, then a seller makes gain, and when CP greater than SP, then it makes loss. Now I am going to show you some formula that gain is equals to SP minus CP. Loss is equals to minus SP. Now gain percent is equals to gain by CP multiply 100%. To find gain percent, we have to write gain by CP multiply 100%. Similarly, when we have to find loss percent, then loss by CP multiply 100%. So to find loss percent, we have to write loss by CP multiply 100. Now to find SP. So students, when CP and gain are given, I repeat once again, when CP, that means cost price, and gain are given, then we must use this formula to find the selling price, that is 100 plus gain by 100 multiply CP. This is the formula to find the selling price when cost price and gain are given. 100 plus gain percent by 100 multiply CP. Similarly, when cost price and loss are given, then selling price will be 100 minus loss percent by 100 multiply cost price. So when cost price and loss are given, then to find the selling price we must use this formula: 100 minus loss percent by 100 multiply CP. And when selling price and gain percent are given, then to find cost price we have to use this formula, that is 100 by 100 plus gain percent multiply SP. Similarly, when selling price and loss percent are given, then we have to find cost price by using this formula: 100 by 100 minus loss percent multiply selling price. So using these formulas we have to solve some maths. Now I am going to show you some maths, that how to use this formula. So first problem is, an article was bought for rupees 400 and sold for rupees 336. Find the loss and loss percent. I read it again. An article was bought for rupees 400. An article was bought for rupees 400 and sold for rupees 336. Find the loss and loss percent. So here you can see that cost price is 400 and selling price is 336. So here cost price is greater than selling price. So it is clear that the seller has a loss. In this case, the seller has a loss. So here CP is equals to rupees 400 and SP is equals to rupees 336. So therefore loss is equals to CP minus SP. So is equals to 400 minus 336. So is equals to rupees 64. So he makes a loss of rupees 64. Now we have to find loss percent. So therefore loss percent is equals to, so to find the loss percent, student concentrate on this, that to find loss we use this formula to find loss, we use this formula that loss is equals to Cp minus Sp. I have already used it. Now we have to find loss percent. So loss percent is equals to loss by Cp multiply 100. Loss by Cp multiply 100. So here we have to use this formula. So loss percent is equals to loss by Cp, loss by Cp multiply 100. So here loss is 64 and cost price is 400 multiply 100. Now calculate it. So we can divide 100 and 400 by 100, and we can also divide 64 and 4 by 4. So is equals to 16%. So therefore loss is 64 and loss percent is 16%. So I hope you understood, students. Now I am going to show you another one. If the cost price of 6 pencils is equal to the selling price of 5 pencils, find the gain percent. So here the cost price of 6 pencils is equal to the selling price of 5 pencils. Find gain percent. So students, here at first we must take that each pencil cost ₹1. So let the cost price of one pencil be ₹1. So therefore cost price of 6 pencils. So cost price of 6 pencils is ₹6, and selling price. So at first we have to take cost price of 5 pencils, ₹5, because we have to buy 6 pencil and it is equal to the selling price of 5 pencils. So at first we have to know that cost price of 5 pencils. Here the question is cost price of 6 pencils is equal to the selling price of 5 pencils. So selling price of 5 pencils, so that means at first we have to know that what is the cost price of 5 pencils. So if cost price of one pencil is ₹1, then cost price of 5 pencils is ₹5. Now selling price of 5 pencils is equals to cost price of 6 pencils is equals to ₹6. So since cost price of 6 pencils is equals to selling price of 5 pencils, so therefore selling price of 5 pencils is equals to cost price of 6 pencils. So cost price of 6 pencils is ₹6. So that means selling price of 5 pencils is ₹6. So here gain is equals to 6 minus 5 is equals to ₹1. So rupees 1 is gain. So therefore gain percent is equals to gain by cost price. So here cost price is 5 into 100. So is equals to 20%. So he gain 20%. So I hope you understood, students. Now students, I am going to show you that how to find selling price when cost price and gain percent or loss percent are given. To find selling price when cost price and gain or lost price are given. Find the selling price of an article for which cost price is equals to rupees 650 and gain percent is equals to 6%. So here in this problem, students, cost price and gain percent are given. Cost price and gain percent are given. So here we have to find the SP. So we must use this formula. That here you can see that in this formula gain percent and cost price are given and we have to find SP. So we must use this formula. SP is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 multiply cost price. So here cost price is equals to rupees 650 and gain percent is equals to 6%. So therefore selling price is equals to, what is the formula? 100 plus gain percent by 100 multiply CP. So 100 plus, here gain is 6%, so we have to write 6 by 100 multiply cost price. Cost price is 650. Now calculate it. So it will be 106 by 100 multiply 650. Now by calculating it, we can find the formula, find the answer. So selling price is, now we have to multiply 53 with 13, so it will be rupees 689. So 689 is the correct answer, students. So I hope you understood that to find selling price when cost price and gain percent are given, what is the actual process or what formula should we use. Now I am going to show you that how to find cost price when selling price and gain or loss percent are given. So to find cost price when selling price and gain percent or loss percent are given. To find cost price when selling price and gain percent or loss percent are given. By selling an article for rupees 1440, a trader gains 20%. Find the cost price. Find the cost price of the article. By selling an article, the problem is by selling an article for rupees 1440, a trader gains 20%. Find the cost price of the article. So here selling price is equals to rupees 1440 and gain percent is equals to 20%. Now we have to find the CP. So here students, we must use this formula. Here selling price and gain percent are given and we have to find cost price. So we must use this formula, that is 100 by 100 plus gain percent multiply selling price. So here cost price is equals to 100 by 100 plus gain percent multiply selling price. Okay students, I repeat once again that to find cost price we must use this formula, that 100 by 100 plus gain percent multiply selling price. Now calculate it. So it is 100 by 120 multiply 1440. Now you can divide 144 and 12 by 12. So it will be rupees 1200. So 1200 is its cost price. So therefore we have to write the answer also. So therefore the cost price of the article is rupees 1200. I hope you understood students. Now I am going to show you another one. The next problem is by selling a rickshaw for rupees 9240, Bansi losses 12%. For how much should he sell it to gain 12%? By selling a rickshaw for rupees 9240, Bansi losses 12%. For how much should he sell it to gain 12%? Now students, at first we have to find the cost price. So here selling price is equals to rupees 9240 and loss percent is equals to 12%. So therefore cost price is equals to 100 by 100 minus loss percent multiply selling price. Now calculate it. It will be 100 by 88 multiply 9240. Now we can divide it. We can divide 9240 and 88 by 11. Now again we can divide 840 and 8 by 8. So therefore cost price is equals to 10,500. So 10,500 is the cost price of the rickshaw. Now we have to gain 12%. Now we have to find the selling price to gain 12%. So now cost price is 10,500 and required gain percent is equals to 12%. Now we have to find the selling price to gain 12%. So selling price is equals to 100 plus gain percent by 100 multiply cost price. So here cost price is 10,500. Now calculate it. 112 by 100 multiply 10,500. So it will be, now we have to multiply 112 and 105. So it will be rupees 11,760. So 11,760 is the required selling price. So therefore we have to write the answer that required selling price is rupees 11,760 to gain 12%. So I hope you understood, students. Now students, practice all the maths at your home. Thank you, students.